Buongiorno, chi passa Mufasa? I am Mikolo17, and I'm just gonna give you some basic info about me. I like to make stories, and I like to draw pictures, but I'm not really good at the pictures. But anyway, I have an incredible vocal range from the beaches high to Louis Armstrong low. So I'm also a bit of a drama major slash English major, but if you have any scenes from any, I really like anime and I really like movies and stuff. So if you have any scene from a movie, anime, or even a Shakespeare play that you'd like to see me perform with my incredible vocal range, just suggest in the comments. And I'd like to introduce you all to someone. Get over here. This is my cat, Eli. He is insane. Say hi, Eli. Yep, I got this cat on September 11th, the September 11th, and as of a few days ago, he knocked this over and broke the World Trade Center. I find that kind of ironic in a sick, demented way. Ciao for now.